Grape is one of the most important fruit crops in India. Grape is used in diverse ways for table purpose, processing, resin and winemaking. However, in India, it is mainly cultivated for table purpose and to a small extent for resin making. Grape is cultivated in an area of about 1.049 million hectares in our country with an annual production of about 8.1 million tons. The major grape growing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Tamil Nadu, accounting for 90% of the total production, followed by Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Nearly 25 to 30,000 tons of grapes are being exported to Middle East, Europe and Southeast Asian countries. India has the distinction of recording the highest productivity of grapes among all the grape-growing countries of the world. Average yield in India is 25 to 35 tons per hectare. The highest yield of 100 tons per hectare has been achieved in Anab-e-Shahi variety around Hyderabad. India has the unique advantage of producing grapes for a prolonged period by regulating the pruning schedule. Hence, there is tremendous scope for export. Dry climate with temperatures ranging from 15 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius and an average rainfall of 500 to 800 mm is ideal for the cultivation of grapes. Cloudy weather, high humidity, low temperature is detrimental as they spread fungal diseases. Sandy loam soils are best suited for grape cultivation. Grape comes up well in pH range of 6 to 7.5. Grape can be successfully cultivated in a wide range of soils with dogwit as rootstock, which has tolerance to drought and salinity. Thompson Seedless occupies a pride of place in India. It is ideal for table purpose and resin making as well. Among colored seedless varieties, Sharad Seedless and Flame Seedless are becoming increasingly popular. The production technologies of these varieties are being highlighted. In Sharad Seedless, the berries are black and seedless with crisp pulp. It is very sweet with total soluble solids of around 22 degree Brix. It responds well to GA3 application for berry elongation. Krishna Sharad is a mutant of Sharad Seedless which is becoming popular in recent years. Flame Seedless is a variety which favors warmer climates, ripens early as compared to Thompson Seedless. The vines are vigorous and yield profusely. It has medium-sized clusters and light red firm berries. Pulp is crisp, sweet and has an excellent flavor. This variety is suitable for table purpose.